our therapy time? Wilby, are we doing our therapies? Good job. Use your muscles to stand tall. Use those muscles. Stand tall for kisses. There we go. There we go. Squeeze them in. Squeeze them in. There we go. How's that feel, huh? Yeah? How's that feel? Oh, no, this is my finger. Those are my fingers. Those are my fingers. Here, how about that? Good job. Good stepping. Good stepping. There we go. Come on, you can do it. Come on. Come on. Yeah, good job. Okay, you can do it. You can do it. Stand tall. Come on, stand tall. Stand. There you go. There we go. Every time you stand a little bit taller, a little bit longer. That's called progress. Yeah, I know. Oh my gosh, a little munchy. Ready? On your own. Ready on your own. Okay. Yeah, come on, come on. Come on. Come on, you're doing it. You're doing it. Stand tall. Oh, that was such a good job.